name's Katy Moss. I'm the Managing Director and owner of Trent Refractories. We make refractory products, which is essentially concrete products that go to very, very high temperatures in all applications that see heat. I'm quite passionate about sustainable UK manufacturing. I think about the future, not just today, and how we can safeguard our expertise in the field. I also really do care about my people and making sure that we've got the right balance between operating a business profitably and sustainably, but also making sure that the people who work for me are valued and cared for. I think the most inspiring thing about working in manufacturing is that we actually create something. That in the past, where I was brought up to believe that service was the future, but getting involved in making something made me realise just how important it is to add value to products and to do it in a way that safeguards our generations to come. Keeping the expertise within the UK is something that's really important to me and inspires me to carry on. Certainly, most importantly, I would say my late father. To continue his legacy and what he built was certainly a driving force for my determination to make this company succeed. And then, in addition to that, another gentleman, a chap called Christopher Parr, who is a very technical person in our industry, and he mentored and nurtured me through taking over the business, and his guidance inspired me to carry on. I think the biggest changes that I've seen over the years is what customers actually need. There's been a massive change in the customer environment, where they've lost a lot of expertise. A lot of people who had the knowledge for refractories have actually retired, and they are more and more looking for us to help them troubleshoot their processes and help them find the right solutions. So we've needed to respond with that in such that we've invested in a bigger technical team, and hopefully that will take us forward for the generations to come to be able to provide them with the support that they need.